Take a ride in the 2019 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, convertible soft top, tires, front performance, fog lamps, tires, rear performance, FWD, HID headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.